So here's another question. It's a question that was requested by one of my followers. Anyways, so to do this, we need to solve this for secant. So it's 2 secant squared x equals 4. Divide both sides by 2, you get secant squared x equals 2. Now we're gonna square root both sides, and when we square root both sides, what we're gonna get secant x equals plus or minus square root of 2. Now you know secant is 1 over cos, so you could write 1 over cos equals plus or minus root 2. Or instead of writing 1 over cos, you could just change this to cos, but you have to change this to plus or minus 1 over root 2. And that is the special angle triangle, which is the 45 degrees. So that's basically 1 root 2 if you wish to see it like this. So the angle that has a cos of 1 over root 2 is the 45, and radians, in radians it's pi over 4. So definitely my reference angle is the pi over 4. And now once I know my reference angle, then x1 will be, since it's plus or minus the answer, then you're in every quadrant, because the cosine is positive in the first and the fourth quadrant, and it's negative in the second and the third quadrant, and therefore x1 is be pi over 4. We're just gonna make a common denominator here, so 4 pi over 4, and the 2 pi, I'm just gonna change it to 8 pi over 4, so we could do this faster. Now, the second angle is pi minus the theta, which is the reference angle, so pi minus pi over 4, which is the reference angle right here, will be x2 will be 4 pi over 4 minus pi over 4 basically, so that's 3 pi over 4. x3 will be this one right here. If you're in this quadrant, you just go pi plus the reference angle, so 4 pi over 4 plus pi over 4 will be 5 pi over 4. And x4, the last angle, which is right here, if you're in this quadrant, you go 2 pi minus the reference angle, so that's 8 pi over 4 minus the reference angle, which is pi over 4, and that will give you 7 pi over 4. And that is the answer for this kind of question. As always, thanks for watching. Till next time, bye bye.